Welcome back. Now, let me in fact tell you more details about those shocking visuals that we showed you right at the top of the program, those visuals from Nanded, Maharashtra. This clash, in fact, took place between Sikh agitators, those who wielded swords and attacked police in Nanded. The reason? Because there was some confusion as far as the congregation is concerned. 4 policemen were injured, ladies and gentlemen, in this vicious attack. That too, when Maharashtra is dealing with massive spurt in the COVID cases, the police tried to dissuade the huge congregation that resulted in violence. Take a look at this shocking story.
Rampage by a Sikh mob, wielding swords, attacking policemen, breaking barricades, damaging police vehicles. Holi celebrations turned violent in Maharashtra's Nanded district on Monday after the Sikh community was denied permission for a religious procession, a Hola Mohalla. While the permission was denied over strict COVID curbs amidst a huge surge in cases in the state, hundreds of angry community members barged inside the local Gurdwara, breaking its gate and attacked the police with swords and other sharp weapons. The mob also broke police barricades. Several policemen sustained serious injuries in the attack.
उसने गुरुद्वारा गेट नंबर 1 पे हालावल अंदर था और हम लोग ड्यूटी के ऊपर थे बाहर गेट नंबर 1 पे और अचानक मॉब बाहर आया और मेरे को पीछे से कोई तो अज्ञात समय पीछे से वार किया.
The mob also damaged at least 6 police vehicles. Senior police officers say that all appeals to pacify the mob failed.
कुछ यंगस्टर लड़के जो है वो बात नहीं मान रहे थे. बाबा जी ने भी उनको समझाने की कोशिश की तो वो 1 नंबर गेट से बाहर आ गए और ट्रेडिशनल रूट जो है इसी रूट पे उन्होंने हल्ला बोल मनाया. आईपीसी के धारा अलग अलग धाराओं और कोविड गाइडलाइंस का वायलेशन किया है. इस आधार पे गुना दाखिल किया जाएगा.
More than 15 people were arrested in the case and at least 400 persons have been booked for the violence.
Given the rise in number of COVID cases, there is a ban on social, cultural and public gatherings in Maharashtra. The Nanded police had allowed the procession to take place inside Gurudwara, but some locals wanted to take it out. When they were denied permission, they started assaulting the policemen, injuring 4 seriously. With camera person Mangesh Ambre, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
All right, that's all the time that we have in this edition of 6 p.m. Prime. On the other side, our special show, Chennai Singapene, where Akshudanand Gopal, my colleague, tells you everything you need to know about the elections in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, mask out.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.